Hello, P2. Let's begin our session by singing a song that I believe you are all familiar with. It's a Grand Old Flag. Start out our session with a little energy today. We're going to go ahead and say our pledges now. If you would please stand and salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for the Oklahoma flag, salute and pledge. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. Today is Tuesday, April 7th. Last week, we used two adjectives that are antonyms to describe Tuesday. Terrific. I want to scoot up just a little bit. Videographer. Terrible. The two adjectives that we used were terrific and terrible. Those are also antonyms because they mean opposite things. They have opposite meanings. Well, today we're going to focus on words that have the same meaning, and those are called synonyms. Antonyms are two words with opposite meanings. Synonyms are words with about the same meaning. And it's easy to remember that because same and synonym both begin with the letter S. The two words that we're going to look at today are thankful and grateful. Those two words mean about the same thing. I went ahead and looked up the definition in the dictionary of these two words, and the definition of grateful is showing or feeling appreciation. And thankful means feeling happy or relieved that something is going to happen or not happen. So both of them have to do with feeling appreciative of something, feeling glad about something going on. And thankful came to mind today because I just woke up feeling thankful. Thankful that I'm healthy and this virus has stayed away from friends and family. And thankful that we have the technology where we can continue our school year even though we're not together physically. We're doing virtual school right now because our country's leaders care about us and about our health. And those leaders made tough decisions when they decided to close the schools to stop the spread of germs and to keep us safe. So I'm also feeling grateful and thankful for our country's leaders and for the medical workers, the healthcare workers who are helping those who are sick. So let's go ahead and take out your writing words booklet. and add the words grateful and thankful. So get out your writing words booklet, turn to the letter G, and we're going to write the word grateful, and then to the letter T and write the word thankful. I'll give you a moment to do that. Now, if you have time later today or any time this week, you might write a story or maybe even just a few sentences about things that you're thankful for, things you're grateful for. It could be that you have a nice house to stay in while we're in this situation where we're supposed to be staying at home and not out doing the things we usually do. Thankful for your home, thankful for your family. So there's lots to be thankful for if we just stop and think about it. And I'd love to see some of that written down from you. Do you remember what our new word was yesterday in our Word a Day booklet? It was shiver. And shiver is a verb. It shows action, and it means to shake or shiver from cold or from fear. So we added the word shiver yesterday. Now, our new word today is racket. Racket. And the part of speech that racket is, this type of racket, is a noun because it is a thing. R-A-C-K-E-T. Racket. And the sentence that was used with it is the squawking birds in the pet store made an awful racket. That means a lot of very loud noise. So this word, the part of speech that it is a noun. It is a thing. Remember, a noun names a person, place, or thing. So racket is the noun that we're adding to your writing words booklet today. Go ahead and add the word racket. Now you're going to need either pencil and paper or your whiteboard and marker. I have a couple of wordplay cards for us today. Most of our session today just has to do with words and writing. So these are called wordplay. And this one, the title is Scrambled Food and Drink. And what I need you to do, either on your whiteboard or paper, is to write mile, need my eraser, mile, M-I-L-E, mile, M-I-L-E. Under it, write the word melon, M-E-L-O-N. We're going to write 4 words, so make sure you're leaving enough room. Mile, melon, 8, and team. If you would please write those 4 words down. I'm going to read a sentence, and you're going to unscramble these 4 letters and form a new word that would fit in the sentence. The new word is going to name a food or a drink. So the first one we're working with are the letters M-I-L-E. Right now it spells the word mile. Hunter loved sour citrus fruit. He would walk a mile to eat a, And you're going to use those same letters. And this is going to name a fruit, a little green fruit. If you said lime, then you are correct. I'll write it in a different color. So we switch those letters around to make the word lime. The next one, for a snack, Millie ate some melon and drank a glass of water with a slice of, a lot of people like a slice of this in their water or their other drink. And it's a citrus fruit. It's yellow. And if you said lemon, you're correct. L-E-M-O-N. And the next one, no matter what Brandon's father ate, he always had a cup of blank to drink. Right now it's spelling the word ate, but how could we switch these letters around and make a word of something to drink? If you said tea, you are correct. T-E-A. And I actually like to have iced tea with lemon and lime in it. And our last word, everyone on the track team was a vegetarian. None of them ate. So you have to know what the meaning of a vegetarian is. And that is a person who eats only fruits and vegetables, does not eat meat. Do you see how to spell the word meat? M-E-A-T, meat. And next we'll move on to a little bit of math before we close today. Let's review our coins. This top coin, the largest in size and worth, a coin with the most value on this page is the quarter, worth 25 cents. Let's use our quarter strip to practice counting quarters. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. Or, since we're using quarters, we could say this is $2.50. How many quarters would it take to make $2.50? It would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 quarters. Now the coin with the next highest value is the dime. The dime's a small coin, but it's worth 10 cents each. Let's practice counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Or we could put a dollar sign, our decimal point, and say 10 dimes equals $1. And then our nickel is worth 5 cents. Here's the nickel. And let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 cents. How many nickels in 50 cents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or 10 times 5 equals 50. In this case, 10 times 10 equals 100. 25 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equals $2.50 or 250. So if you have a jar of coins at home, I hope that you'll just dump those out, mix them all up, and then sort by value: quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. And then you can make up your own addition, subtraction, even multiplication problems by sorting and counting. As I close our session today, just a reminder to think about, maybe even write about, places, people, things that you are thankful for or you are grateful for. I'd love to hear about some of those things. I look forward to seeing you in our next meeting, and goodbye for now.